and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to give you guys a tour of my kitchen, and I'm going to share with you guys all of the lemon decor DIYs and decor ideas that I've been sharing with you guys on my channel. I'm going to share with you guys how I use them to decorate my kitchen, because I know a lot of you guys, whenever I do DIYs for you guys, I kind of show you the DIYs and like a regular background that I have in my craft room, and some of you guys like to see how I use it within my home and, you know, how I decorate it within my home, to give you guys some more ideas. So that's what I'm going to do in today's video. You're going to get a tour of my kitchen and also my dining room, because I have stuff in both those areas. I'm not showing you my living room or my entranceway yet, because I'm still going to do some more farmhouse style like beach decor. And that is my ice maker if you hear it. Sorry, the ice maker is like right next to some decoration I'm going to share with you guys. But anyways, I'm doing like a farmhouse coastal theme like I did last year, and there's still some stuff that I want to do that I'm waiting for Dollar Tree to bring that stuff out, because they haven't brought it to my stores. So I'm not able to finish decorating my living room or my entranceway yet. So stay tuned, because once I'm done, I'll be sharing with you guys those DIYs, and I'll also be sharing with you guys my living room as well. So I'm gonna start off right here, because this is like my coffee bar area. Basically, you guys have seen it a lot in my clean with me videos and my decorate with me videos. My coffee bar area, this is an area in my kitchen I love to decorate with, but I'm not doing a coffee bar theme this for the summertime. I'm doing kind of like a lemonade theme. So I'm gonna start off with this area first and kind of share with you guys what I put in here, the DIYs I did, and where I bought the items from. Okay, so like I said, this area right here is my coffee bar area, and I always decorate it with different type of coffee decor or something to go with the seasons. But this season, for the summertime, I decided to do like a lemonade stand type of decor, and most of these I've already shared with you guys already, for when I was sharing with you guys the video of like the DIY, the lemon DIYs and the lemon decor ideas. And so right here I have the sign that I showed you guys. This frame is actually from Dollar Tree, and some of you guys were asking me if it already came white. It actually comes in white and black, and they have been bringing stuff back into Dollar Tree. So you might see this again, these little stands, and it's like two-sided, so you can always have it like and change it out. I like this because I don't like to see the plugs right there, so I like that I can have something to like cover up the plugs. And this was actually a printable that if you go on the video, and I'll put the link down below, or the video where I show with you guys all of my lemon decor DIYs, I have the printable for this. This lady was actually having it as a free printable, and you could print out on a bunch of different sizes. So I will have that link down below. So these lemons right here, I actually got them in the Target dollar spot a while back, and you can get, it comes in orange as well. They have the orange slices as well, but you can get it like this, and then just like the regular lemon as well. And then they have like the little, I like the fact that it has like the little bottoms that you can put, the little bottoms that makes it sit so it's not rolling, and they both were $1. So this thing right here, I told you guys, was my favorite DIY idea that I shared with you guys on that last video, and it's because I just think it came out so cute. So these are one of the little water jugs that Dollar Tree has right now for 4th of July and Memorial Day. It comes in white, red, and blue, and I like the white one because it goes great with this lemonade theme. And if you wanted to, you could actually paint these two things yellow if you wanted to add a little bit more yellow, but I thought it would be overkill, because I liked, I don't want to have too much yellow. I want to have like yellow and white. So I just filled it up with some lemons and some little leaves that came from like an old flower. When I was doing a DIY, I just used the flowers of this bouquet, and so I had left over. I always save the leaves, and I just use those leaves to add in there. So this right here, this little mason jar wooden sign right here, I actually made it as a DIY. I shared with you guys that on that video as well, so go check that video out. This is actually one of the decor pieces that you can get at Dollar Tree. I got it during Christmas time, and I remade it to make a lemonade sign, so definitely check out that video if you want to see how to make it. But I put that there, and then for the bottom part, I did one of the little Dollar Tree crates, and I just filled it up with lemons. And then this says lemons, but you can't really see it because I put it in white. I thought it would stand out more, but I feel like it's blending in. But I liked the color of the neutral, so I actually didn't paint this little crate. I just kept it as is. And so then in the back, what I did was I used mason jars that I filled, mason little drinking cups, mason drinking jar cups that I filled with lemons, like miniature lemons that I got at Hobby Lobby. Again, watch that video because I give you more details about the lemons that I got. I got them at Hobby Lobby for half off. And the mason jar cups that are in the back, these right here, are actually from Dollar Tree. These are the clear ones that you can get all the time. And what I did was I just put one of the little straws that I got from Dollar General in it. And I like these. Like I said, you can get these all year round, and you could do so many things with them. And then I was just going to use these to decorate this area, but then I recently just found this yesterday at Dollar General. These little mason jars, and they were actually only $1. And they have that tinted light blue, which I like. And it has like, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm gonna try to bring it close there. Oh, here you go. It has a, like the imprinted design of on it, like it says ice cold drink. And it just has like the look of a mason jar. So I thought these were so cute, and they were $1 at Dollar General. So definitely check the Dollar General out because I think these are so adorable. They are a little bit smaller than the ones at Dollar Tree, but not by much. And they're the same price, and it comes colored, and it comes more like, it looks more like the mason jars that you see. So I just love those. I was so happy I found that. And since these were already tinted blue, I decided to add the yellow straws. And so that's just what I have for this area. I didn't want to add too much. And I also added like some leaves, some of those flower leaves in there as well, because I always like to add a touch of greenery, because I felt like there was a lot of yellow and a lot of white in this section. So I always like to add a touch of greenery whenever there's a little bit too much. And so yeah, so most of these lemons I got from Dollar Tree for $1. I got them at Walmart for 97 cents. And then the miniature ones I got them at Hobby Lobby for half off. And again, if you watch that video, it'll tell you exactly how much I paid for the bag of it, and you'll see the bag that I bought. It comes with so many lemons. But this is really cute. I just love how it came out. It looks so nice and bright for my little coffee bar area. So like I said, that is my coffee bar area. And then moving on, I did add some lemons to the top of my refrigerator. So up there is that little farmhouse style scale that I made with Dollar Tree products a while back on my channel. I'll put the link down below if you haven't seen that video. But I like to add things on the top of my refrigerator because sometimes I feel like there's so much wasted space up there. So I like to add different things. So I have like a crate up there with like some, you know, some Dollar Tree plates to add like some color in there. And then I have the 2 lemons added up there as well. And so let me see if I can get it closer for you guys. So that's how it is up there. And then I have my my slow cookers like hidden behind there too as well. So it's like hidden storage. But I think it's just so cute to add something to the top of a refrigerator. And then I have this wreath here that I was originally gonna add some lemons to it. You guys have seen this wreath in my Easter decor video. I put a bunny on it, and I also told you that I was gonna remove the bunny for springtime. And then you can use it all year round. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below how I made that wreath out of Dollar Tree products. But I was, like I said, if you wanted to add more lemons to it, you could take the miniature lemons and just glue them on, which I was gonna do at first. But guys, after I started decorating, I have enough lemons in this kitchen. So I was like, you know what? I don't wanna go overboard. So I decided just to keep this, to add like a little touch of greenery, and that's it, and not add any more lemons to it. But you can if you want to, so that is an idea. And then I need to put something up there because I normally have like a sign up there, but I don't have it right now. So yeah, I need to add a sign over there. And then moving on from the door, I didn't put anything here that had to do with lemon decor. It was just like my regular everyday stuff. But over here, I have some lemon decor. So over there, that right there where I have my stove, I just put one of these signs that you can get at Dollar Tree that they sell. Didn't do nothing to it. It was just a regular sign, and just put it there. And then over here is where I put some more of my lemon decor, and I'm about to put you guys on a tripod because you guys know I have shaky hands, and I hate whenever I make a video for you guys and I see the back of the footage and it's so shaky, and I apologize for that, but I do have shaky hands. So this farmhouse style scale, you guys have seen me make it on my channel before, and like I said, I made it with Dollar Tree products, and I love using it for the different holidays because you can put so many different things in here and decorate your house farmhouse style. You could put just greenery in there, which I did recently with the Easter eggs. And then what I did was I just added some lemons in here. Again, a little touch of greenery to add it because, you know, I love how the greenery plays with the yellows. And that's what I did for this area. Just really cute, really simple, and it's easy to keep clean. Then when you move on to this part of the counter, you guys have seen this. If you've been following me for a while, you guys have seen this DIY on my channel because it was actually one of the first little DIYs that I shared on my channel. Now, these are apothecary jars that I created with Dollar Tree products. And because I love apothecary jars, but they could be quite expensive. And again, I'll put the video down for the apothecary jars and for this thing down below as well. But this is basically a Dollar Tree candlestick, the little glass ones. This is Dollar Tree vases. And then this is a jar from one of the Dollar Tree candy dishes, and then this is a jar from an old candlestick. So that's what I did to make basically these apothecary jars. So it was really easy, real simple, and I use it all throughout the year to switch out for the holidays. Unless I don't really need it, then I take it out. But I always do this. This is even good for not even summer decor. This is like everyday decor. Like I've seen this in so many showrooms and staged model homes where they have the lemons and the limes at all times in their kitchen. So I just put some limes in here to add that touch of greenery. You know, I love the touch of greenery. And then some lemons, I mean the limes here and the lemons in here. And then this was a little thing that they had at Dollar Tree, which I like to do farmhouse all year round if I can. And so I just added that there. And this is also a Dollar Tree book. So this is just a cute little decoration that you could do in your kitchen or anywhere in your house really, and put and just fill the apothecary jars with whatever you want. Okay, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys what's in my dining room, and it might get a little shaky because I have to do this stuff without the tripod. I'm sorry guys. I try my best not to have it shaky with you guys, but you guys know I have shaky hands. I tell you that all the time in my DIYs whenever I'm doing like craft projects and stuff. But this is my, okay, so this was the kitchen, and then this is how it flows into the dining room. You guys have seen it in my Clean With Me videos. And so I have made this little shelf right here with Dollar Tree products as well. If you notice, it's like the little planter holders. And I have this little shelf on my channel as well. I made it with the little planter holders and the Jingle Block pieces. So if you ever want to make that, I will link it down below. But up here, I just put, again, a Dollar Tree picture that I liked. I like using that one all year round. This was from Dollar Tree, and this is one of the little lemon signs that I showed you guys how to make in that DIY video, and I like how that looks right there. And then I have that little wall clock that I have all year round. And then over here, let's walk over here, I have another one of the little shelves. And I'm sorry if it gets dark, I told you it's gloomy. But I have this little lemon sign that this one is at Dollar Tree right now. I didn't DIY this. It looks just like that when you buy it. This is the one that I did DIY, and I shared with you guys, sorry. I shared with you guys that on my channel. Sorry, when I get my finger in there, it starts getting blurry. But I share with you guys how I created this one, really simple and easy. And that right there that says local and fresh, it was also from Dollar Tree. And I just love when the light blue pairs with the yellow as well. I like the light blue always pairs so good with everything that I make. Like, I just love light blue. But that's what I have here in my dining room on the wall. And then on my actual dining room table, which I still need to, it's so messed up. I've told you guys before on my channel, it's gotten so messed up. I really need to refinish this table. I want to repaint it, but I don't know what I want to paint it. I don't want it to be white. I don't know. I want to do something to it, but I just don't know what color to do it. Let me know if you guys have any tips. The chairs, I'm actually going to put some white covers on them once I figure out what white covers I want. And I told you guys before, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any recommendations of some great white covers, because I really need to find some. But anyways, so on the dining room table, I put this little decor piece that I created that I shared with you guys already with Dollar Tree products. I love it. And I like to have simple things on my dining room table, because whenever we do so much things here, the girls do homeschooling here, we eat here, we do so many different things here that I don't like to constantly take things off my dining room table. So I don't like to put too much stuff on my dining room table. But what I do want to get is I do want a table runner, but I've yet to find one that I like. I'm trying to find a white one. So if you guys know of an affordable white one that's really cute, let me know, because I'm looking for a white table runner. But this is what I have here, and I just think it's so simple, but it's so cute, you guys, and everything is with, you know, affordable products. So that is what's on my dining room table, and that's how my dining room looks as well with the lemon decor. Really simple, don't want to go too overboard, but it looks really cute for the summer. The last thing I want to share with you guys is this decor piece that sits on my island. This little tray I also created with Dollar Tree products, and I have it on my channel as well. I'll link it down below. But this little tray, I love adding things to it for the seasons. And so these were the two things that I showed you guys in the video that I created. And I told you I was going to pair them together, and I think they look so good. Again, the light blue, the green just looks so great with yellow. And this sits right here on my kitchen island. There's dishes in there, but every time I clean out or clean down the kitchen, I always put this little tray just to add a little touch of decor. And so this is how it looks. I use the little lemons for this one. I rather use the big lemons for it, but I ran out of the big lemons. So I just filled it with the little miniature lemons, but they will look good with the big lemons as well. And then these are just the lemon picks that I found at Hobby Lobby as well. And then this is the Bella Mason jar that I found at Dollar General, guys, for $6, which you can put so many different things in here. Also, another great idea for this little jar is to put the wooden mixing spoons and for the mixing spoons, the wooden mixing spoons at Dollar Tree that you can get. They will look perfect in there for decorations as well. So I like it. So that is my whole kitchen and dining room. Let me give you like a little overview, because a lot of you guys asked me to like do like a panoramic of like how my area looks. And oh guys, I got new floors. If you haven't seen my vlog, I just posted a weekly vlog and I share with you guys how we got new floors. So definitely check that out. I'm in love with my floors. And it'll show you like the before and the after, but this is how my kitchen looks. You guys see part of my kitchen whenever I'm decorating and stuff, but this is how all of it looks. And it's not too much. It's just a little touch of yellow. It's not too much, and I just love it for the summertime. So that is how I decorated my kitchen and my dining room with my lemon decor. I really fell in love with the lemon decor, and sometimes whenever I'm like into something, I can go overboard with it. Like you guys can tell if you've been watching my channel for a while, I'm obsessed with pumpkins, and then this year I got obsessed with the Easter bunnies, and then now I think for summertime I'm obsessed with the lemons. And so there's a lot of lemons, but I like it because it just brightens up the kitchen and the dining room. And I'm the type of person that I like to see brightness, and I love it when it's sunny outside because I'm so motivated and it gives me so much energy. I'm one of those people that my mood depends on the weather. Like today is such a gloomy day and I feel so lazy today, and so I mean, am I the only person that's like that? That like the weather kind of makes you, it determines your mood. Like if it's sunny, I have so much energy and I want to get so much things done. I want to be productive. But then when it's gloomy, I just want to sit around and watch TV all day. Like, am I the only one? Let me know in the comments down below if you are that same type of person. But I like adding the yellows because it just brings like a touch of sunshine into my house when it's a gloomy day. And I'm probably going to keep this, well, I know I'm going to keep this up for the rest of the summer. It's going to be like this the rest of the summer. Then come the next thing that I'll be doing is the fall, and so I'm gonna try to start the fall in August because I want to do some things early for you guys, so that way you guys can get a head start. So as soon as Dollar Tree brings their stuff in, or as soon as the stores bring their stuff in, you guys know I'm gonna get those things for you guys so I can give you guys some more decor and DIY ideas. So stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for some more farmhouse coastal DIYs that are gonna come on my channel, and the decor ideas that I'm gonna do in my living room and my entranceway once Dollar Tree finally brings those things to my store. So stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.